Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to talk about the IDE installation, that means the integrated development environment that will be used to code for an Arduino Uno. So first of all, we have our Arduino board and we can program it in two ways. One is the offline editor and one is the online editor. For both of them, we have to access the official website of Arduino. When we go to the official website, which is arduino.cc, in the software section, we can go to the downloads. Once we go to the downloads, then based on the OS, whichever you have, whether it is Windows, Linux or Mac, you can select your appropriate installer. So if you are in Windows, you can select any one of them. Otherwise, you can select Linux or Mac OS installers as well. Now once you click on the Windows installer, you will get the option either to donate something or just download for free. So if you don't want to donate, you can just click on just download and you can save the exe file at any location in your PC. Then once it is saved, we will double click the exe file and start the installation. We will click on I agree and it is like a typical software installation on Windows. Only thing you have to take care here is that you should check the installation of USB cable drivers also. Then you just click on next and install. It will take few minutes, hardly 1 or 2 minutes, and it will be installed and the IDE will open on your screen. Now what we can do, that we can program it, connect our board and check the circuit on the board. We will discuss about that in the future videos. The other option that we have is the online editor. That means we don't need to download the exe file and install the software, but we can directly go to a web browser, open this link and start coding by creating a free account. So this is the interface that we have for the online editor. You can see that in the center we are going to write the code. On the left panel we are having the option to create a new sketch. Arduino codes are called sketch. Okay, so you can create a new sketch, you can access the example codes, you can save it, upload it to Arduino Uno. Everything is same with slight changes with respect to the IDE. So now once we have the IDE, let us check that how to simulate and program Arduino using Proteus software. Keep learning. Thank you.